Hi, I'm Adam Garreau, Chief Product Officer here at Sponsor Pulse. I'm going to be talking today about demographic filters that help us explore our data. There's a few places this plays out on the platform. I'm going to show you a couple of them in the next minute. We're going to start and analyze properties, which allows us to take one property and really pull apart its potential amongst different groups within the population. By default, it's showing me the NFL. I'm going to pick something else. Maybe today I'll pick the WNBA. By default, it's going to show me all sorts of segments of the population from different customer groups to different streaming service groups. But if I go down to the filter panel here and simply select demographic filters, what it's going to do is show me my given metric, in this case, opportunity score, amongst various groups within the population based on their demographics. So what you can see here is that if the opportunity score for the WNBA in the total population is 16, there's several groups where this over indexes. Ethnicities, teenage females, males in the 25 to 39-year-old range, all above the line in terms of over-indexing on their passion and interest in the WNBA. If I'm comparing multiple properties to each other, for example, I'm switching over to compare properties here and now going to take a look. It's showing me some of the most popular platforms and properties in the United States, but this is amongst the total population. If I go to the filter panel, go to demographics, I can now explore all sorts of demographic splits to understand this same set of data. I'm going to pick, just out of example, people who make over $100,000. Now, it didn't radically change, but we did see something shuffle. We saw, for example, NCAA football came up higher in the order. We can continue exploring and slicing and dicing this data across all sorts of demographic factors. They're all available here. And that's a quick primer on how I can get some more insight by finding the right demo on the platform.